At Omtech, we work with some of the best names in the industry. One of those is Omnitrack, a world leader in high-performance ball transfer units. Based in the UK, Omnitrack has been around for 116 years and is known for building extremely durable, precision-engineered ball transfers used in some of the toughest manufacturing environments. They offer a full range, from heavy-duty units that can handle thousands of pounds, to spring-loaded options for delicate or uneven loads, to pop-up systems used in automation. You'll find Omnitrack solutions in aerospace, automotive, defense, and machine shops around the world. If you're moving heavy parts and need extreme reliability, this is the brand engineers trust. Compared to standard ball transfers, Omnitrack units are built to last, and they're designed to handle the kind of weight and abuse most brands can't touch. If you are located in Europe, contact Omnitrack. They will help you choose the best fit for your application.